Welcome to the world of innovation with Tecnopiù. Today, we introduce the revolutionary Oiljet series of air oil lubrication systems for machine tools. Oiljet lubrication systems are the ideal solution for optimizing your machining processes. Based on the principle of minimal quantity lubrication, MQL, these devices offer exceptional performance with minimal environmental impact. But what makes Oiljet devices unique? Let's find out together. First of all, versatility. The Oiljet series consists of three main models, each designed for specific applications. LMG01 for lathes and drill presses. LSG01 for band saws, disc saws, and general machine tools. LTS02 for drill presses and vertical milling machines. These devices offer numerous advantages: reduced lubrication costs, cleaner work area, improved visibility during machining, increased tool lifespan, optimized surface finish quality. But how do they actually work? Oiljet lubrication systems use the voce principle to mix compressed air and lubricant. This creates a controlled mist that is delivered directly to the machining point, ensuring effective lubrication with minimal fluid consumption. Another key strength of the Oiljet series is flexibility. These devices can be easily installed on existing machines or integrated into new systems, adapting perfectly to your production needs. But that's not all. Oiljet lubrication systems are designed with the environment in mind. Thanks to the MQL system, lubricant consumption is so low that no collection system is required. This results in lower environmental impact and significant disposal cost reductions. At Tecnopiù, we believe that innovation is the key to success in the machining industry. With the Oiljet series, we offer a cutting-edge solution that combines efficiency, savings, and environmental sustainability. Would you like to discover how Oiljet lubrication systems can revolutionize your production? Visit our website or contact us today for a personalized consultation. Tecnopiù, innovation at the service of your productivity.